Hello, this is the installation procedure video for a Cap Industries fire extinguisher bracket into a Honda Civic FN2 Type R. The procedure to install this bracket is very easy. You first of all start by slipping these little plastic seat bolt covers off and then removing the two front seat bolts. You need to use a 14mm socket and then a ratchet to help you remove them. After you've removed those two seat bolts, you now need to use these two M5 stainless steel nuts and bolts to attach the extinguisher cage that comes with your extinguisher to the bracket. They both have 8mm heads, so you just need to use two 8mm spanners. Once you've tightened them all up, it's ready to go on to the next procedure. This is what it'll look like after you've bolted your cage onto the bracket. To install it, you need to lift the front of the seat up and then slide the bracket in underneath. Once you've done that, you take the two factory front seat bolts and then put them back in and tighten them back down with your 14mm socket on both sides. To install the factory seat covers, those little plastic ones, you need to take a small amount of plastic out with your Dremel. You notice here I'm just showing a small section that you need to cut. This makes it just so that you can slip it back in as it just touches on that part of the bracket. If you don't want to do that small part of the Dremel, you don't really need to. You can just press it in a bit harder. After you've done that, then slip the extinguisher into its cage and latch it up, and your procedure is done. As you can see, the seat can go all the way over the top and has no interference at all with the feet or with the mechanism of the vehicle. Thank you so much for watching this little video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you do have one of these vehicles, you will love this bracket. Please subscribe and like for more.